How to view saved passwords on Android phone. So if you want to view your saved passwords on your Android phones, then what you need to do is you just need to open up your Google application. Once you open up your Google, now you need to go for the upper right, which has that profile option. Tap on the profile and tap on manage your Google account. Once you tap on it, you need to swipe right and then you need to go for security option. Under security, scroll all the way down and go for manage passwords. And here you will have all of the passwords of your account. So if you want to know the Amazon passwords, then tap on amazon.com and you need to enter your screen lock and you'll be able to have the passwords. Or you can go back and then you can choose another like Discord. So simply go for discord.com and here you will have all of the passwords related to Discord account. So that's how you can view saved passwords on Android phones. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.